We're going to talk about solving systems of linear equations by graphing. The solution of a system of equations is found at the intersection of the functions. To find that intersection, we graph each line on a coordinate plane. For example, the two lines I have drawn on this graph, the red one is represented by the equation y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1, and the green one is y equals x plus 1. You'll notice their intersection is at 0, 1 on the graph. In order to graph a linear function on a coordinate plane, we would like it to be in slope-intercept form. Now, if you remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The m stands for slope, which we remember is the ratio of the vertical change over the horizontal change. And the b represents y-intercept, meaning where it crosses the y-axis. If you'll follow these few steps, we can graph each line. Step 1 is to plot the y-intercept onto the graph. Step 2 is to apply the slope to that point. You can do that multiple times to create multiple points, but you only need 2 points to create one line. Step 3 is to repeat that process for the second function. Once both graphs are on there, step 4 is to identify the intersection. Now, let's look at an example. Many times in these examples, the instructions will say something along the lines of, what is the solution to this system? Our two equations are y equals 2x minus 2 and y equals negative x plus 1. Let's graph the red equation first. We start by plotting the y-intercept, which we identify as negative 2. Then we apply the slope to that point. Our slope is a positive 2, so we're going to go up 2 and to the right 1. Now that we have 2 points, we can draw a line through those 2 points. Now we graph our second line, starting with the y-intercept is positive 1. We then apply the slope, which is negative 1 in this case, which means we will go down 1 space and to the right 1 space. Then we draw our line through those 2 points. Now we can identify our intersection, which is right there. Let me write down that point. The intersection would be the ordered pair 1, 0. Well, that is the solution to our system of equations.